Hey everybody, doing a update here for July 16th. Um, so last time you guys saw the garden, it wasn't doing that well, but now it's starting to look like a garden. So we got some tomatoes here, some corn, some zucchini, watermelons, some beans down in here. But last time it looked like just a bunch of weeds coming up. So that's coming along well. I got these awesome stickers from Sticker Mule. I think it was $19 for a roll of 50 of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'll figure something out. We've moved the ducks out to this blue coop. See if I can... Hey guys. Hi. We got the salmon feverels kind of in their own spot here. And the rest of them looking around. But so I wanted to do this quick update and also let you guys know reaching a huge milestone with the 500 subscribers coming up pretty soon. I'm also thinking about doing a video, and I know this isn't, it's not a huge growth for what a lot of you guys are doing, but I mean, I started about a year ago and I was getting subscribers every now and then. But then over the past month, I got about 270 subscribers. So I made a bunch of changes on the channel. I put the little guy there, the subscribe guy. I put the cards on the end, showing off the other videos. I made some playlists. But there's a bunch of different things you can do, which a lot of people aren't doing it, but as soon as I did it, my subscriber numbers just went up like crazy. So I might make a video on that. So other videos coming up. I'm gonna make probably chicken quesadillas, some chicken fritters. I'm gonna make those, and also I wanted to make some like party wings on the Blackstone again. I haven't done that in a while. I don't think I ever videoed it. So those are 3 brand new videos I don't think I've ever done. All chicken and all on the Blackstone. So we'll try that. Anyway, for my 500 subscriber thing, it's huge for me. And especially because it doubled in the past month. So it's something good happened. But anyway, I was thinking I can do, if you comment on this video here, I'm going to pick a random person and I'll send out like a Amazon $50 gift card or something. See if you guys can get some stuff there. I was thinking maybe a meat thermometer or something fun like that, but then I have to purchase it, get it shipped to me, and then ship it to you. Anyway, easier, just I'll run out and get a gift card from Amazon. But just comment on here. I'd like you to be a subscriber to win. You don't have to be, but if you're, just put a comment in there. And then is the day I hit 500, which I think I'm at 455 right now. The day I hit 500, which should be hopefully in the next couple of weeks, I'll pick a random winner. I'll do like a live video, do a random winner, and then we'll go from there. But I wanted to thank everybody for subscribing. I appreciate it, and it's huge, especially considering I was at 200 something about a month ago. So thanks for that. Thanks for all the time you guys leave comments. Thumbs up, thumbs down. As Tommy says, it's good either way. Anyway, my wife's waiting for me. We're gonna watch some more Netflix, so I'm gonna go inside. But anyway, thanks for watching. Good luck on the 500 giveaway. And that's it. So you can post whatever you want in the comments, put a link to your channel, whatever you want. As long as you have a comment in there, then you're entered. So thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one. It sounds like 3 chicken videos coming up on the Blackstone. We'll see you. Thanks.